Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue that plagues HP printer users. The event code 10.10.43 error, especially in 2025 models. If your printer suddenly stops working and displays this frustrating code, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This error typically points to problems like firmware glitches, network connectivity issues, or even a simple hardware hiccup, but the good news is, it's often fixable at home. First off, let's understand what this error means. Error code 10.10.43 usually indicates that your printer is having trouble communicating with your computer or network. It could be due to outdated drivers, a weak Wi-Fi signal, or even a paper jam that's not immediately obvious. Before we dive into fixes, make sure your printer is turned on and connected properly. Sometimes, it's as easy as that. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Step 1. Start with a basic restart. Turn off your HP printer, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the system. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Check for any physical issues. Open the printer cover and look for paper jams, stuck ink cartridges, or loose cables. Gently remove any obstructions and try printing again. Next, update your drivers. Head to the HP website, search for your printer model, and download the latest drivers for your operating system. Install them, and restart your computer to ensure everything syncs up. If you're dealing with a wireless printer, step 4 is to verify your network connection. Reset your router, ensure your printer is on the same Wi-Fi network, and run a network test from the printer's control panel. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time for more advanced troubleshooting. Try performing a factory reset on your printer. But remember, this will erase custom settings, so back up if you can. Still no luck? Contact HP support. They can provide model-specific advice or arrange a repair. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that error code 10.10.43 for good. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.